My name's Mike Johnson. I'm the Chief Executive of the Dairy Council for Northern Ireland, and we're here in Dubai at the offices of Broccoli as part of an outward trade mission that is part of an EU-funded export program to a number of Middle Eastern countries. Today we're engaged with one of our main cheese makers, Glanbia cheese, and we're delighted to have the use of these offices at Broccoli so that we can demonstrate the versatility and the uses of the cheese that is manufactured by Glanbia. Northern Ireland is one of the main dairy producing regions of the United Kingdom. We produce very high quality milk on our farms. We have over 3,000 dairy farms in Northern Ireland, all of which are family owned and passed on from generation to generation. Our traceability system is probably the best in the world, so we can trace back to individual farms and we know what farms were on, what cows were on farms the days that the milk was produced. So we have a very, very good traceability system. Combined with that, we place a high level of emphasis and put a lot of effort to make sure that the products that we produce right throughout the supply chain are of high quality and that the consumer safety is top of mind. So that's very much a focus that we have, and that is ensured through the monitoring and the auditing that is done by government agencies such as the Department of Agriculture in Northern Ireland and the Food Standard Agency, who regularly monitor farms and who monitor and inspect processing plants to make sure that the highest standards of food safety are met. All of that then comes together when a Department of Agriculture government vet signs an animal health export certificate, and that really is confirmation that everything that should have been done, all of the quality checks, all of the animal welfare, all of the environmental standards have all been met, and the vet signs that certificate, and that goes with each consignment of dairy products that leaves Northern Ireland. So for all of those reasons, we believe that anyone who sources their dairy products from Northern Ireland can have high levels of confidence and trust in the product because of the care and the attention that we take right from the farm through to the processing and then the monitoring and the auditing that is done by government agencies.
Hi, my name is Paul Vernon. I'm the Chief Executive of Glanbia Cheese. We're very pleased to be out in the Emirates around Gulf Foods. We're looking to meet with a number of key customers. This is a growing market for us. It's an important market. So we look forward to meeting with our customers today, to showing them a range of products, some new products that we're introducing, and hopefully they will be able to drive sales of those products in this region for us.